Hey there! My name is James, and I am a virtual expert of Merehead company. CRM systems have long been the main tool for automating most of the business processes related to sales, marketing, and customer support. They are used by 7 out of 10 enterprises, with the rest of the companies ready to integrate CRM, but they can't find a solution that fully meets their needs. So in this video, we'll tell you how to get around this problem by creating your own CRM system that is grounded in your enterprise's business processes. First of all, let's find out when you need a CRM system. Any software for enterprises is created to improve business processes, and of course, its creation costs money. So before spending your money, you need to understand if CRM is going to raise the effectiveness of your business enough to offset the cost of development, integration, training of staff, the work of the support service, and the updating of the CRM system. You need a CRM system if you want to increase sales without increasing advertising, SMM, SEO, and other marketing activities. You have a huge client base, and you need a unified system to manage relationships with them. You want to increase your brand recognition by providing better services. You want to monitor sales effectively. Second of all, let me define why custom CRM is the best option. By making sure that your enterprise needs a CRM system, you also need to understand whether this is a ready, template solution or you need software tailored to the business processes and needs of your business. The reasons why many companies invest in developing their own CRM systems, despite the abundance of ready-made solutions in the market, there are two: the complexity of implementation and the low economic feasibility of finished products in the medium and long-term perspective. As far as economic viability is concerned, the problem here is that ready CRM systems can have many functions, but not all of them your business will need. In addition, finished products are distributed on subscription, between $50,000 and $10,000 per month. Then, how to develop your CRM system is a one-time investment that will pay off in 1-3 years. Here are some more of the custom CRM system advantages. You get software adapted to your working processes. Ready CRM systems are created without taking into account the specifics of a particular client. Suppliers are more profitable to make their templates, so their integration involves a massive difficulties, from the need to train staff to adapt the workflow to the selected CRM. Higher productivity, efficiency. Any CRM system is designed to automate processes within the company. But if it is a pattern, you have to adapt your processes to this system, which reduces their effectiveness. If CRM is a custom software customized for your business, it does not happen. Complete control and data security. Having your product, you do not need to trust your business data and confidential client data to foreign software, its supplier. Besides, if you're not satisfied with the CRM system, you can improve it at your discretion at any time. What is needed to be done before creating CRM? So you've decided that you need a CRM system, and it should be a custom development. What's next? Before starting to develop software, you need to decide which CRM you want. Type, function, design, and who will develop it. Here is a small manual that will help you to identify these and other important issues. Step 1. Set your business goals. As with the launch of any business project or startup, the establishment of the CRM system begins with the definition of goals. Before moving on, you need to clearly understand what business targets you want to solve using this tool. For example, if you're selling, the CRM system can make your sales department more efficient, which will make it possible to make more deals and/or increase the average check. In addition, through CRM, you can engage effectively between sales and marketing departments to know which leads are becoming clients and which channels of attraction are most effective. To achieve these goals, CRM is needed with sales and marketing modules. If you work in the health sector, perhaps your business targets will be attracting new clients, retaining existing ones, and managing referrals to specialists. In addition, you may need a database of patients, demographic and health records, their contacts, and financial reporting. To do this, CRM needs to include a patient management module, an AIM management module, a patient management module, and a report module. Step 2. Analyze your working processes. When you define your business targets, you will immediately understand what business processes you need to analyze to determine what you can improve and/or automate using CRM. Study each stage of interaction with clients in detail to understand what kind of functions you need in CRM. In addition, You will also need to select the user roles in CRM and identify their rights, which will simplify the training of staff and distinguish access to confidential data. For example, your junior managers can only have access to the contacts, while experienced managers can manage them, add, modify, delete, and display accounts. In addition, you may want to have a deep analysis of the department's work is available only to you. Such issues should be considered in advance. Step 3. Select the optimum type of CRM system. All CRM systems are divided into 4 standard types, depending on how they are designed. See what type of CRM fits you best if possible, after you decide on your business targets. Here are their list and a brief description. Strategic. Designed to collect customer information and predict their behavior based on the data received. Based on these forecasts, enterprises develop their production and/or promotion strategies. You should select this type of CRM if you want to increase market share and provide only up-to-date products to your clients. Operational. Helps to optimize the daily tasks of the division of production, marketing, sales, or support. The main purpose of these CRM is to improve the efficiency of business processes, to connect production with current demand, accelerate the processing of leads, automate routine processes, personalize interaction with customers, etc. This type of CRM system is chosen by businesses that want to automate business processes and improve communication with customers. Anatomical. Established to manage customer information. They can provide insight into the efficiency of sales promotion channels, which will make it possible to conclude the best ways to attract and retain customers. This type of CRM is needed by businesses that want to get deep sales analytics and marketing. Collaborative. It helps to create interaction between numerous departments that have a direct impact on the effectiveness of interaction with clients. Typically, these CRM create large enterprises and corporations, where large numbers of internal teams and many cooperative ventures with external partners are. Another pro of custom development is that you can combine different types of CRM systems, planning or interactions to create a unique product for your business that will be tailored to your business processes and will contain only the modules and functions you need. Step 4. Define CRM functions. After you have made a list of what operations you need to optimize and what business goals you want to achieve and chose the type of CRM you need, you can start describing its functionality. According to studies, this list usually includes the following items: contact management, tracking the interactions, aim planning interactions, automation of sales, sales creator, database, reporting. Step 5. Select a technical partner. The best way to create your CRM system is to use the services of a company developer that has experience in developing similar solutions. Only so doing, you can be sure that you will eventually receive the software that meets your requirements and has a high level of safety. Here we will highlight only the main points. Inspection. Study the experience of the developer's team. Talk to technical experts. Ask them to share their projects and accomplishments. If you don't know about programming, you can get experts to consult or simply try their finished products. Implemented projects. Study the developer's portfolio in detail, especially their experience in developing CRM systems and products in your sphere of activity. Study what users of their products are saying. Legal issues. Note the legal formalization of your relationship with the company developer. Specify who will own the license of the created CRM and whether you will sign the NDA. Business process. Ask the technical partner about the development process to see if you will be comfortable working on their algorithm. Decide in advance with the channels of communication and the frequency of meetings. Reputation. Find out what their clients and employees are talking about. Feedback on sites such as Clutch or Good Firms will help you with this. Step 6. Select a technological stack. Now let's take a look at the custom CRM system development process. Here is a description of the software development stages that will help you understand what you will face when creating a CRM system for your business. Drafting of requirements. Programmers have a saying: without requirements and design, programming is the art of adding errors to an empty text file. In reality, it is Louis Srigley's words. It should be remembered by anyone who wants to build quality software. In practice, this means that before proceeding to design and coding, the business analyst or project manager must develop a clear technical task, to develop a CRM system. This process is important because the clearer the concept, functionality, and design requirements are described, the easier the team of developers to create the software you need, and the less time they spend on it. Developing the CRM system design. This stage usually includes the development CRM systems, of technical design, system architecture, and UI/UX. The technical design of CRM implies the design of the logic of the user interface with the product, as well as the design of the relationship between all elements of the CRM system. UI/UX design is the navigation and appearance of the software interface. When designing complex solutions such as CRM systems for business, UI/UX is of particular importance, because the easier and comprehensible the user interface will be, the more effective your enterprise's employees will perform their duties. Design is also important for CRM system reports and analytics, since good visualization of data in the form of understandable tables, graphs, and diagrams improves the quality of information perception. Software development process. Once a team of developers receives a technical task and a model or a prototype interface, they can start coding. Depending on the niche, the platform, and the specific business, this process can look different and may involve various specialists, front, back, or mobile developers. If a specific design methodology is important to you, and you are comfortable working on a certain algorithm, discuss this with the team in advance to make the process as comfortable to you as possible. Testing and support. The code testing process usually starts immediately after the coding begins. QA professionals check the new code to find errors and correct them in the early stages of development. This approach saves time and improves the effectiveness of testing. The testing of a finished product is also necessary. It usually includes testing the functionality, design, usability, and reliability of the system under different scenarios of its use. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like this video. If you need any help, just let us know. Have a good day with Merehead.